like spiritualists, we dey come judge Jehovah. We go anywhere, nothing here go be fatal. After the cap, one job you get your cake. Nobody picky, don't give me pampers. Highly flammable, careful of my tankers. We take you out of the dark, better tankers. Shatta movement, you know, see full of shatters. On your tough way, come on, Atlanta. From we to get the youth on the answer. This day's money be big matter. Who go teach me to go for the fat one? Come, make everybody gather round. She will teach you so I get the plan. We for unite though hand in hand. They for the mention my name in Babylon. One of the greatest lines we ever come across from the richest man in Babylon book inside. So they make it vex. They make it vex. Bro, every day where you know they do things where you know they understand, eh? You do things where you know they understand. You're a foolish person, bro. You're a foolish person. You watch things where you know they understand. But you won't watch that thing, you'll be a foolish person, bro. That's why Shatta movement fans, they be serious fans, they be spiritual fans. Because whatever they talking, they go them ahead. Shatta movement. They are rich, but Shatta movement, everybody for Shatta movement be rich. They like, bro, you know my boys where they shoot the bikers, your mother, come up for them. Shut up there. See ya. Shatta movement fans. They know when you want to be a rich person, you should know what you want to do. You should understand the thing that you are doing. That is a rich person. But if you don't understand the thing that you are doing, somebody they sell something, if you won't go sell the thing, bro, you go buy the thing, can't be sell them. The person who they make money, you go to envy them. Because you know they understand how they make money where you know they make money. How they be confident when they talk where you know if you talk like that, boy. That's the richest man in Babylon. That's what the song stands for. If they do things where you understand. Find job where you understand. Say, okay, this job, if I do 5 years time, I go to make 5 billion. That be how you plan life. Most of you, they don't give you that motivation for us. Come there, come the internet there. You won't come to comment and talk nonsense. Come to do like content creators, bro. You want to be a rich man? You want to be rich? That is a key I'm giving to you, bro. I'm telling you something today. Something I won't make you go your head inside. And this is the simple explanation. Do things that you understand. If you want to work, find work. Don't go and find work because you know if you get go soldier. Because your dream or you want to be soldier. Or you know if you get go do police. Or your dream or you want to, so as you don't get right, I temporary representer where they talk nonsense. Because I feel two things you understand. Do things, richest man in Babylon. If they follow things where you do understand, don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Most of you they like failed academicians, failed something because you didn't get the work that was on your heart. So now you decide say you won't come entertainment and come insult people. But I want to go insult you. You insult, you know, me Shatta Wale, me alone, me. I'm right. Anywhere I did. Nobody go fit tell me anything for it. Nobody go fit tell me anything. Who president or IGP or who them something. I'm right because I know they worry people. They know. They know. Why they know? Say people they worry me. If they do like they don't know, we to go do like we don't know. They know. That's why every day you are coming to tell me chum because me Jimmy. They don't know. Like they will come. They know. But because of nonsense, we put the t-shirt at the board. I'm sorry, I'm not Charlie, bro. I wake up, I pray to God now where I can there, they record my song. I will be sure I'm a setup. As I do Kumasi, I do setup. See, setup where I do for Kumasi. I do my setup a day. I work, nigga. I'm just working, my nigga. I can say me sorry, I'm a job. In my studio, if you are crap at Kumasi, I'll be a Juma. Everywhere I want work. That's my dream. Because I understand this work. I want to be rich with this work. Bro. Say you did buy your song before. Go check. 5 songs if you sell, I'm not the money we collect for us. You keep talking to one talk, people want to go into one talk, you want to show me say you know I say if anybody know Bulldog, make it tell him. If you need anybody get make it call him and tell him. You understand me? You make it bring my $60,000. And my Sonata car, if I bring him in the fresh shape, the way they were taking me for bring him a boy. Yeah, people they come the country that somebody they feel so Shatta Wale, somebody talk nonsense about Shatta. Everybody they keep quiet. They do okay. Shatta Super Wale live video. Shatta Super Wale live video. I'm off. I didn't say comedy. Comedy. A comedy. I'm off. I didn't say a comedy. Comedy. Okay. I see. So now big men no more fun. Say, let's go and get Shatta is an Shatta the things he's doing for a boy. When they talk, somebody say make you not talk. When they talk, somebody say make you not talk. See ya. Sometimes what they do, I just knock you vibes. Still, people know they listen to the message that they send. Boy. Well, you're more you. I be busy. You're more you. Boy, we got people who know defamation of character. You people we know you know what be this and that. When I'm table for, make cry. Me back home, papa baby, a boy. Dog, you did the things I do for you. See the things I do as small boy. See the things I do for you, big man, grown up man like a fool. Yeah, you did there. You want hey Buddha, you want use internet there? You go forget to everything I'm doing on the internet is a documentary for people to come and learn from generations to generations to come. Boy. You're back. They don't know say my God. They don't know say my God big. I want stand no seat. Give me my thing that you still keeping that. You know no say Shatta Wale no be stitching. I put a listen song. You know a listen song. You never know. Bulldog, I want stand no city. Give me my thing that you still keeping. You know no say Shatta Wale no be stitching. But if they do me make I do you no kicking. Hey! Sometimes when I do song where they come put them my name, no be say anything. But the songs that they make hits. Hey! Bulldog, I want stand no city. Give me my thing that you still keeping. You know no say Shatta Wale no be stingy. But if they do me make I do you no kicking. Right now you understand the song where I play. A boy. Right now you understand the song where I play. The songs have be hits. Bulldog, I won't stand no sitting there. Mother. Hey, don't come and play with me. See ya. Listen the vibe. See ya. People they do they take hit song and they take this song they make hit song. A boy. This time no fun. Before they do. Listen. You're back. They don't know say my God big. They never know. I want stand no seat. Give me my thing that we still keeping. You know no say Shatta Wale no be stitching. But if they do me make I do you no kicking. You wait, tell them say the money just come up. They use a condition this time no fun. Before they do one now, challenge no be go come. You know the trigger challenge no be no soldier. I mean no priest like that no how. You know what we they do one every time fool. See as how we they shine in the twilight. I get dogs, no be canine. So whenever you want try me, I tell you say kill a G. Manyamala, for Manyamala. They was shit. Falalala. The money come, the money go, the money kill a G. Manyamala, for Manyamala. They was shit. Falalala. The money come, the money go, the money hey, what are they talk from? That be the fasto. Everywhere them no say me, I no be capo. Them make Shatta Wale, he no be fan no. But you know say me, I'm not the like Sambo. Hey guy man, you know we can't joke. You know say me, I'm in school, Moji, I tell you. But we stand fair, no macho. Cyber Newtown, Okayon Toyota. Man check on me pay, Newtown total. Hey Rago, Kawari, watch on me total. She get Prince of Zion, go global. Who like to them say Shatta Wale, kill a Jimmy. Manyamala, for Manyamala. no sitting there.
Give me my thing that you still keeping there. You know no say Shatta Wale no be stitching there. But you dey do me make I do you know.
Bulldog, if you don't know, I dey tell you. That be the vibe. Bulldog, I want to tell you, I want to stand, not sitting there. You like sitting. Every day go make if you say that nonsense life. That's why I play this song. It mess by you see, because people you know be intelligent. People you know they learn sense. People you know be wisdom. So you know they even catch the vibe. A poor and I'm catch you. Like that be how I go start the song. Like that be how I want to start the song.
You're back.
The song.
They don't know say my God big. They never know.
Bulldog, I won't stand, no sitting there. Give me my thing that you still keeping there. You don't know say Shatta Wale no be stitching there. But if they do me make I do you no kicking there. The money, Charlie, you know the money come, yes I'm so this one. Sometimes I don't want to waste my time. Sometimes I don't want to waste my time for this nonsense foolish life. You understand me? When I play music, you know, you listen, I say every day, if you say, bro, the Bob Marley where people say he died, no, he didn't die, no. You're Bob Marley, when you believe Bob Marley, Jamaica, Bob Marley, he be in the Shatta Wale account. The truth be hard way. Bob Marley can say, so you post and say be soft. Bob Marley come again. A boy, who they play music. Some song I will call people them. I will do and make it. This song if I call it go. But I don't call your name because I won't make you understand. Say hey, if you listen song, then if you listen lyrics, boy, you see the way the song. This song is all there. Like the fans them hearts. This song the fans them hearts. Boy, listen, I go put your name for top. Make you go edit and put for the song inside again. Listen again.
You're back. They don't know say my God big. They never know.
Bulldog, I want stand, no sitting there.
Give me my thing
That you still keeping there.
you know no say
Shatta Wale no be stingy. But if they do me make I do you no kicking. You wait, tell them say the money just come.
we dey use exaggeration this time.
No fun.
Before they do one now.
Charlie no be go come.
You know they think that Charlie no be no soldier.
Mami na me no priest captain. No amo.
You know what we dey do one.
Every time fool amo.
See as how we dey shine in the twilight.
I get dogs no be gay nice.
So whenever you want join me, I tell you say
Killer Jimmy. My mala. My no my for my mama. Equashile. Falalala. The money come, the money go, the money day.
Killer Jimmy.
Cloud. Listen the second verse. I Charlie can now.
The money come, the money go, the money.
Hey, what are they talk of? That be the facto. Everywhere they know say me I no be kako. Don't make Shatta ball. You know be fun no.
Back you know say me I know they like fumble.
Hey guy man, you know we control. You know say me I miss Kumoji. I tell you.
But we dey stand back, no macho.
Cyborg Newtown, okay on Toyota, Mancheko Mepe, Newtown Total. Hey Rago, can't worry. Rago, I can't give you money. Fuck everybody.
Who like to them say Shatta ball? Killer Jimmy. My for my they was the money come, the money go, the money Killer Jimmy. My for my they was the money come, the money go, the money no sitting there. Give me my thing that you still keeping there.
Bulldog, give me my thing that you still keeping there. Give me my thing that you are still keeping there. Otherwise, go come beg me. I tell you. People, they make I go fight worldly things. They do this one branding and Shatta and this one. I know they mind you, bro. When I was in the Zongos, I was getting the love I'm getting today. Zongo love has never changed from day one till now. I wrote my niggas, all my niggas are from the Zongos, my nigga. My godfathers are from the Zongos. They all take good care of me. Shouts to Abasai, shouts to DMX, shouts to Love Man, shouts to Manaf, shouts to Salty, shouts to Joey, shouts to Solage, shouts to Kumoji, shouts to Guy Man, shouts to 7 million, shouts to Latif. Bro, I'm going to mention a mention. Okoro and everybody, Alaji Red House, shouts to them, my nigga. Shouts to Fire Over. Bro, I go fit mention and mention and mention and mention. Shouts to Paulo, shouts to everybody, man. What you want show Shatta Wale? If I this, you see this boy they talk. You don't fit disrespect them for streets. Like they beat him for streets, killing me. But I dey bow to these people because these people really teach me much about life. Abasa be my hardest. That's my dad, my nigga. I got street people that I respect so much. Or if you say Accra street be normal streets, bro. You know how many people that my phones they take where I just make call where they bring them come back. You know how many people that my bags where they steal where I just make call where they bring them come back. You know how many girls I save in this Ghana here. You know how many boys I solve my problem for this Ghana here. All through these people. All through these people, because I never disrespect a boss. Like I know go fit. I know go fit. Bro, me I baffle. I don't know say if you baff. As I wake up this morning, I baff. I don't know say you baff. But if you no baff, go and baff. I baff. I don't know say you baff. But as I wake up this morning, I baff. So if you no bath, get out of here and go and bath and get some sense. Bath. Shouts to VIP, man. Shouts to Prodigal, Lazy, Promzy, and the rest of the team, man. You guys made me really love Zongo. You understand? It was always my dream to be among you people. And from now to now, you guys never let me down. That's why my Instagram name, I know if you change, I'm Shatta Wale Nima. Your Vice Cartel, they call me, yo, Shatta Wale Nima. That be how Vice Cartel, they call me, Shatta Wale Nima. They add the Nima to my name, bro. Vice Cartel, they call Nima, bro. If I wasn't still in this fucking so-called music industry, up to now, the Zongos, they hold me way, they make everybody understand. You know how many Zongos we have in Ghana? What the fuck do you mean? There are people that are richer than you people that say you are living in the estates. The people that are really rich past you. Bro, don't let them lie to you. That's why I rep that name every day, 247, bro. VIP go fit come out from that slums and just make them to the world. Why won't Shatta Wale come? Prodigal meet me some time ago. He was proud that I got this feature from Beyonce. He be happy. Prodigal, he make me, I see my American dream. Prodigal for Nima, for VIP. Prodigal was the man that made me talk to a promoter called Hashim. And they took me to America. That was some of the Zongos, my nigga. So today Beyonce can feature me. Prodigal need that respect. That's why sometimes when I see fight they go on for Nima, they touch my hand because no, these people my brothers. I want me to come together because if they fight, Charlie, sometimes they are in the middle. I for beg for this side, I for beg for this side. Bro, I don't need that. These people have been too loyal to my career, to my life, to my everything. Bro, it's just some few people where they come around me where they sell out for Nima, where they don't want to be normal. In every community, there are people that will go sell out. But the real ones are the ones I'm talking about. The real ones, bro. If I'm a secret billionaire today, I'm a secret billionaire because I'm from a place where I have secret billionaires. You go see them, but bro, you go see billionaire.
Yeah. This is your boy, Wale Music TV. Send subscribe my show. So wanna subscribe him. If you wanna click bell no do. Na me the video be out tomorrow. I want the first person ever share. If you wanna drop a comment was so. Wale Music TV, ya Shatta Wale ni TV, yeba mo Shatta Wale ni news, na update, everything be a fan Shatta Wale who be a once a back on the platform middle, into bomb modern subscribe, next share, no brother, and I was system who edumede in Wale Music TV. Video be able post on what had they be a by Shatta Wale. Inti say Shatta Wale no fan quoting dia blend beti good news blend never share never subscribe na wo blend and our system who edumede yedi wo dama platform mi do video bi a yebo post wa hade bi a ba Shatta Wale inti say ejiwo di there Shatta Wale fan quoting dia blend beti good news ba Shatta Wale na bo modern na share na wo blend and our sister who edumede yedi wo Wale Music TV. Thank you.